Hello dear students, welcome back to the NCERT science class of 6th standard. Dear students, in the previous class we have completed the topic that is light, shadow and reflection. Light, shadow and reflection we have studied in the previous class. That is 11th topic, in which we have studied the luminous objects and non-luminous objects, or the light. About the light, light is a form of energy which is produced in an object that is called as the luminous objects. Luminous objects means those things which produces the lights are called as the luminous objects. And also we have studied the non-luminous objects. Those things which will not produce the light are called as the non-luminous objects. Yes. Next, after this one, dear students, based on the passing the light, we have classified the materials into three types. The first one is opaque, transparent, translucent. The opaques are those materials which will not allow the light to pass through them. Such materials are called as the opaque material. For example, the piece of wood or the piece of the stone or the rock that will not allow the light to pass through it. The light will not pass through it. It means hard materials, that the materials through which light will not pass. Such materials are called as the opaque material. The next, transparent material. Transparent material, the glasses, plain glasses, spectacle glass. See what happens. The examples for the transparent, those materials which allow the light to pass through them. The materials are those materials which allow the light to pass through them completely. Such materials are called as the transparent. Yes, for example, clear glass or plain glass. Yes. The next, dear students, translucent. Those materials which will not allow which allow the light to pass through them partially, not completely, partially. For example, window glasses, papers, thin sheets, paper sheets. That is, partial light will pass. Such materials are called as the translucent material that we have studied. Then after this one we have studied the shadow. Shadow is the image or the image formed on the screen when a light focuses on an opaque objects. The bright spots or the bright spot appears on the screen when an opaque object comes in between the source and the screen. Source of light and the screen. When an opaque object comes in between the source of light and the screen, that bright spots appears on the screen. That is called as the shadow that we have studied. Yes. Then after this one, pinhole camera. How to prepare the pinhole camera, that we have studied. How to make the pinhole camera. Yes, in the last class we have studied. And next, light always travels in a straight line direction, that also we have studied. Then after this one, mirrors and reflection. See, we have studied the reflections. Reflection means the bouncing or rebouncing or the bouncing of ray of light when it falls on the surface of the plain shiny surface. Yes, when it falls on the plain shiny surface, the ray of light gets reflected, or the rebouncing of ray of light when it strikes or when it falls on the plain shiny surface, the rebouncing of ray of light is called as the reflections. See, the mirrors are the plain glass surface, plain shiny surface on which the images are formed. Yes, these are the points that we have studied in the yesterday classes. Next, dear students, now we are going to study the exercise part of this topic. Exercise. Next, dear students, he has given the first question. Rearrange the boxes given below to make a sentence that help us to understand the opaque objects. The first question he has given, rearrangement. He has given the boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes he has given. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 boxes are he has given. In one box he has wrote, that is O W S. In second box he wrote A K E. In third box he wrote O P A Q. Then in fourth box he wrote U E O. In next box he wrote B J E O, not O, C. C. In another box he wrote T S M. The next S A S H A D. Here we have arranged. First box, which one? That is, we have to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That number we have to give. The first number, that is opaque. The third box, opaque. Opaque, fourth one. Opaque, here. Opaque, objects. Opaque objects. M is here. Make. Then here. Make. Shadow. Here. Seventh. Then the first one. That is fourth, fifth, sixth, second, seventh, one. Here opaque, objects, opaque objects, make, M-A-K-E, make shadows. Yes, that is correct. That is opaque, objects, make shadow. make the shadow. Opaque objects make shadow. Opaque objects make shadow. First question. The answer for the first question. Yes? Write in your Facebook. I will erase. I will move to the second question. Pause the video and revise the video. Note down the answers or points. Next, come to the second question. Classify the materials. Classify the objects or materials given below as opaque, transparent and translucent and luminous or non-luminous objects. Yes, we have to make the columns. The first one is second question. First one, opaque. Transparent. Translucent. Translucent. Next, luminous objects. Non-luminous. Yes. Then first air. Air is a transparent one. Air is a transparent one. The next, water, translucent. The next, piece of rock, that is opaque. Next, sheet of aluminium. Sheet of aluminium. Next, a mirror, non-luminous objects. Then next, a wooden board. A wooden board. The next, a sheet of polythene, that is translucent. a sheet of polythene. Then CD, a CD, smoke, translucent, a sheet of plain glass, transparent, a sheet of plain glass. Fog is a translucent. A piece of red hot, that is luminous. Red hot iron. Next, an umbrella, opaque. An umbrella, a fluorescent tube, lighted fluorescent tube, luminous. Lighted fluorescent tube, that is a wall, opaque. A wall, opaque. A sheet of carbon paper, opaque. A sheet of carbon paper, opaque. A lighted torch, luminous. A sheet of cell phone, transparent. A wire mesh, opaque. A wire mesh, opaque. Kerosene stove. Burning, it is not a burning one. Kerosene stove. The next, sun, luminous. Then moon, non-luminous. Firefly. Then fourth one, firefly is a luminous one. Then here moon. Isn't it? These are the materials, separation of materials. You have to note all the point in your textbook, in your notebook. Isn't it? You have to separate sort out the materials: opaque, transparent, translucent, luminous and non-luminous objects. Then come to the third question. Can you think of creating a shape that would give a circular shadow if held in the one way and a rectangular shadow if held in another way? Yes. Yes. The third question answer is, the third one is yes. Yes. It is possible. We can hold any materials. We can form the circular shadow. Next, fourth one. In a completely dark room, if you hold up a mirror in front of you, will you see a reflection of yourself in the mirror? No. In a completely dark room, we will not get the reflection. For the reflection, it needs light. Only in the presence of light, the light falls on the surface of the objects, it will reflect. And due to the presence of light only, the image or the reflection in the mirror is possible. If we stay in the dark room, the reflection will not happen. Yes? That we have to write. Here, fourth question, that is, in a complete dark room, if you hold up a mirror in front of you, will you see a reflection in yourself? No. No. We will not form the reflection in the mirror. Write down all these points in your fair book. The first answer, that what I told. First answer with the box. First answers with the box will be told. I told that to write. Note down the points. Note down the points. All the points. Third question. Yes, we can form the circular and rectangular the shadows. And fourth one, no reflection takes place. Yes, mention that or write the fair